In this video, I will guide you on how to stop Facebook notifications. Now, if there is any specific notification that you want to stop, then simply head over to Facebook. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, you should be able to find the option of notification under the Preferences section. Go ahead and select that. From here, you simply want to tap on the notification that you want to stop. For example, if you do not want notifications of reminders, then tap on that. Then simply toggle off these options. Go ahead and tap on the turn off option. In this way, you can stop the specific notifications within the Facebook app. But if you do not want any kind of notification from Facebook, then you want to head over to your settings. Now tap on Apps. Then from this list of application, find Facebook and tap on that. Now tap on Notifications. Allow notifications option. Go ahead and toggle this option off. Once you toggle this option off, you are not going to receive any kind of notification from Facebook. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.